Okay, so hi dear Aries, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is health and career and finances reading for all the Aries Sun Moon Venus rising for the month of November 2025. I'm going to start with the health, and we are going to go for the job thing, business and job seekers or business seekers, and the finances. And along with this, I'm going to give you the guidances also. I'm not a medical practitioner or any kind of person who can give you financial advices. These are just energy check-ins. Take them as energy check-ins only. Okay, and consult a doctor or financial advisor or counselor, career counselors for further for your own good. Okay, for personal reading and healing sessions, you will get the link of the booking sessions below. Link booking links. For courses, tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass, links are given below. So let's start with your health. Aries, let's see about your health, what we have. King of Swords. So there is some kind of you are going to leave something. Okay, so it's like you are going to have some kind of airborne diseases. Like for example, Vata is going to get enhanced. So joint pain, maybe body pain, or some kind of issues like cold and cough. They might be there, but you will be able to get rid of these problems very very quickly because you are going to act fast, or as soon as they are going to start you will be able to manage it. If not, if you are not going to manage it as quickly as possible, it can turn into something difficult to deal with. So beware of those diseases that travels with air, viruses and all those kind of things. And beware of having those foods that are going to cause some kind of joint problems or joint issues. Okay, let me see the guidance for you guys for this thing, for your health thing for this month. Strength card. It's going to take you do strength training. First of all, training is going to help you a lot. It's going to enhance your strength and immunity, and you will be able to prevent some kind of diseases very very easily. You will be able to prevent from something from happening. Okay, so strength training is going to help you a lot. First thing. Second thing, the things that you know are not good for you, for your health, for your long term, try not to indulge yourself in those things. It's going to take you a lot of courage and strength to not to do something that you're addicted to, or that you keep on doing on a daily basis. But you have to have that a line right now, strict line right now, so that you are not going to create more health issues. Let's say for those of you who are working for others or doing job, how it is going to be for you guys. Let me use the other deck here. I feel more connected to that deck when I do the readings. Yeah, let's see for your job thing how it is going to be if you're working for others or doing job. Nine of Pentacles. Things are going to be a little bit stagnant, or you are going to feel a little bit bored. You are not going to feel that much excited about your work thing right now. You might not be able to see a lot of progress in your work right now, in your career area. Things are going to be quite slow, but at the same time you are going to feel like this is something stable. I can rely on this thing. So I don't see major changes happening. I don't see a lot of shift happening in your job or career area, but at the same time it's going to make you feel like, okay, this is something stable that I can rely on, at least for the time being. Even if it is boring, even if it is kind of stagnant, you are going to rely on this thing for this month. Things are going to be like almost the same as they are. Not a lot of shift or changes are happening. Let's see the guidance for you guys. Ace of Cups. If you're looking for new opportunity, or you're looking for a change in your career, this is a good time for you guys to start applying for jobs and giving interviews, and enhancing your skills too. Okay, you have to enhance your skills, you have to add something new in your skill set that is going to help you grab a new opportunity, grab a new job offer. This is a good time for you guys to make the move, make the necessary moves from your side, take the necessary actions from your side in order to start a new career or get a new job opportunity. Okay, but if your heart is not in this job anymore, try to start looking for another options, another career opportunities, or enhance your skill set so that you can upgrade. Hmm? Let's see, for those of you who are doing business or like or have their self employment thing, let's see what we have for those people. We have Ace of Swords. After a lot of struggle, after lots of conflicts and ifs and buts and whatnot, finally you will be able to get some kind of success. This is success after a lot of conflict and chaos and lots of ups and downs. This is not something that's just happening or falling in your lap. This is not that kind of success. This is the kind of success that you get after a lot of troublesome, conflicted, heavy energies. After going through a lot, finally you are going to get something. Some kind of success and victory in your business thing. For some of you, if you were having some kind of legal issues or legal troublesome energies, they are going to be clear, the results are going to be in your favor. So you are going to get some kind of success and victory that you were like working for. There were lots of obstacles and challenges, and finally they are going to be cleared. Let's see the guidance for you guys, for business people or self-employed people. Three of Pentacles. Take help from someone if you feel like. You can have some kind of collaboration or partnership so that your business is going to enhance, your business is going to step into the next level. Either you can take help from a career counselor or somebody who is expert in this field. They can guide you properly, and then you guys can enhance your business in some way. Or if somebody is offering a collaboration or partnership, you can look for that and look for all the documentations, everything that's related to the business thing very very thoroughly and properly, and then you can go for step to the collaboration and partnership thing from your side. It's going to help you to enhance your business, make your business go to the next level. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. Either take help from somebody who you feel is expert in this field and they can guide you for the next chapter of your career thing in your business or self employment. Or you can if you're looking forward to have collaboration or partnerships, there are good chances that you will be able to get that also. Look for the documentation and all the pros and cons and everything before you are going to say yes or no to this collaborations or partnerships. Okay, let's see what we have for those who are seeking for new job or career or starting or restarting their business thing again for November 2025 for Aries people. Page of Cups. It's a good news. You guys will be able to start something. You guys will be able to finally take some kind of action in your business or in your career's direction. It's going to be a brand new opportunity, a brand new uh, job or career or business opportunity. It's not very stable, but it's just the start of something brand new. It's like taking the first step towards your goal. For some of you, it might be a job that you're going to like for the initial thing, for just starting, it might be a good opportunity for you guys and you can go for this. So there are energies of a good news coming in for job seekers, whether it's a new job, completely new job, or finding another job, or doing your business or starting your business or restarting your business. It's like a good news, something starting something brand new and feeling good about it. A good news. Let's see the guidance for you guys in this, for this thing. We have the Magician. So you are actually going to get what you are going to manifest. So be very very clear about what you are trying to achieve in your business or career area, job area. Whatever you are going to manifest, whatever clarity and understanding you're going to have regarding your goal, you are going to get the results accordingly. Let's say if you're going to have this mindset of I will never be able to get a new job, I will never be able to start my business thing, you will not be able to get it then. Let's say you are going to have this mindset of no matter what, I will be able to get this job opportunity or create this job opportunity or business opportunity, you will be able to get that accordingly. And plus have the clarity of what actually you are looking forward to have, what actually you are trying to manifest here. Let's say for example you want a government job, so be very very clear about what kind of government job, how it should be, and what kind of ranking and all that. So your manifestation is going to play a vital role in your 3D world for this starting or restarting your job or career thing. Let's say about your finances, Aries, what we are having for the finances for you guys for this month. Four of Swords. I think your finances are going to be a little bit stagnant. You will not be able to get the drastic changes. You will not be able to get the drastic results as of now for your finances thing. It's going to be what it is right now. It's like stable finances, but not a lot of drastic changes. Not improving much, not like going down much. Actually you guys have to take a step back, and you guys have to have a proper plan and strategy to save your money, to invest your money into something good. Right now it's stagnant, it's not very fast moving quick energy of financial growth, but you guys have to do something about your finances in order for them to start working out in your favor. Okay, let's see the guidance here for your finances. Death card. Okay, so this is like a transformative phase of your life. This is like something is changing in your financial sector, big time. So let this phase pass. Right now if you are dealing with those stagnant energies where you don't know what to do with your finances, let this phase pass. Don't get your money stuck in money making schemes, quick money making schemes. Don't lend your money to anyone that you cannot trust on, or just for quick money you are investing in you're investing your money in stupid things and then regretting later on. You might lose your hard earned money if you are not going to be aware of what you are going to invest in. Let this phase pass, at least this 13 to 14 days pass, and then decide what you should do with your money and your finances. Don't go for quick money making schemes. Don't get your money stuck. I don't think so you will be able to recover it back. This is just a warning for you guys. Okay, so look out for that. So thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.